All right, LMS, today we're going to talk about the earned income bracket, and everybody who's an employee or even a 1099 contractor who wants to work hard to make a lot of money only to pay a lot of taxes. And again, the highest tax bracket on the single was 37%, and you can see from 0 to 95.25 is 10%, and then from 95.26 to 38,700 is 12%. So 38,701 to 82,000 is 22%. And as you can see, it continues to go down until you make that 500,000 and up at 37%. So I tell people all the time, going to school and learning that the bell rings at 8 o'clock and the bell rings at 3 o'clock. So they trained us from the beginning to be great employees and to work hard to make a lot of money only to pay a lot of taxes. And so that bracket is called the earned income bracket, which I tell people this is the hardest way to accumulate wealth or assets, unless you're sitting up there at the CEO of one of the Walmarts or Hiltons or the Marriotts or even on Wall Street, making tons of money, paying tons of taxes, but getting the stock option. So that's a whole different category. But as you can see, we've been trained to work hard to make a lot of money, because I know I worked that way. And when I made my first million, I paid over 37%, because you also have what's called an alternative minimum tax that created in 1931, 38, around that area, that they added an additional tax to your tax return if you were over $66,000. And so it's quite incredible, the system on the earned income, that as you learn it, you start learning, oh my God, I've been taught wrong, to work hard to make a lot of money only to pay a lot of taxes. And I did sit my parents down and tell them, look, that doesn't work for me. Some guys are playing golf at 10 a.m. while I'm over here like a mule carrying this weight and paying all these taxes. Then I'm scrambling to my tax preparer to try to figure out how can I cut corners and cut this. And this is where people get in trouble with the wrong tax preparer. Now, if you're a corporation, your taxes were from 0 to 50,000, 15%. And over here, you're already at 10% at 9,500. At 38.7, you're at 12%. And from 38 to 82, you're already at 22%. But 50,000 on the corporation, you're still at that 15%. Then it jumped up to 25% plus 7,500 as you continue to make money. Now, this was the old tax bracket under the C corporation. Now with Donald Trump, it's a flat 21%. No matter what you make, you got 21% on the corporate level. So guess what? Who benefited from this tax cuts that Donald Trump made? I mean, you really look at the corporation straight across the board, 21%. And if you see the money, even if they made 18 million, 21%. So you're looking at different scenarios of why corporate America really benefited from the tax brackets that Donald Trump created at 21%. So again, this is a segment, this is tax classes that we teach. We teach how you can really use the corporations as you continue to grow in America, and you find out how these different tax brackets work. Until Saturday, we'll see you soon.